Short note on examination of witness under section 124(1) Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. The examination of witnesses is an important process in legal proceedings through which facts are brought before the court. The purpose of examining witnesses is to discover the truth and help the court reach a fair decision. Section 124(1) of Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 provides the order and types of examination of witnesses. According to this provision, the examination of a witness consists of three stages. First, examination in chief. Second, cross examination. Third, re examination. Examination in chief. Examination in chief means the examination of a witness by the party who calls him before the court. The main purpose of this examination is to place relevant facts and evidence before the court in support of that party's case. Cross examination. The examination of a witness by the adverse or opposite party is called cross examination. Its purpose is to test the truthfulness, accuracy, credibility, and reliability of the witness. During cross examination, the opposite party may ask questions to expose inconsistencies, contradictions, or false statements made by the witness. Re-examination. Re-examination means the examination of the witness again by the party who originally called him after cross-examination has taken place. Its purpose is to explain matters arising out of cross-examination and remove any confusion created during it. Illustration. Suppose A files a case against B and calls C as a witness. A first examines C to establish facts. This is examination in chief. Then B's lawyer questions C to test the truth of his statements. This is cross examination. After that, A's lawyer again questions C to clarify matters raised during cross examination is re examination. Thus, examination of witnesses under section 124(1) is an essential procedure because it helps the court evaluate evidence properly and arrive at a just conclusion.